Hey guys, it's Cassie. Welcome to my channel if you're new. Welcome back if you're a seasoned subscriber. Today we have an unexpected Dior unboxing. Oh my gosh. Guys, if you are new here, my name is Cassie. I'm a self-diagnosed luxury addict. I put out videos on Wednesdays and Fridays, sometimes Mondays, so if you like luxury fashion, then you're probably going to love it here. So head down there, subscribe, turn on the bell, become a member of our luxury addicted family. When are we going to rehab? Never. Guys, are you ready? Let's go. I wasn't planning on buying this, but here we are. I will just come out the gate and tell you that it is a bag, okay? But it's probably not what you think it is. Okay, so as we know, I was on the hunt for that Louis Vuitton phone box, and it was available on some pre-loved sites, but you know what? I refuse to pay 3 times the price for something, you know? It's just not my vibe. So that dream to me is dead in the water. So I set my sights on something else. I text my Dior SA, who is still working during the quarantine, but obviously from home, and they're still shipping out orders Monday to Friday. So I said, do you have this available? He said, yes. I said, okay, sod it, let's pull the trigger. Next thing you know, it turned up at my door in literally hours. The same day I paid, the same day it turned up. Knock, knock, knock on my door. Hello, good afternoon. Hello, what a wonderful little treat. Okay. So you're gonna know what it is, especially from the, okay, so there's a bag within a bag, and that bag within this bag is, yes it is. Okay, so inside that bag, we then have the box, and this all has clouds inside. We love it, we love her. Dior Rimowa, it is from that collaboration, which is technically part of the men's collection, but we don't care about that on this channel. You know, if it's hot, it's hot. I'm very much here for the packaging experience thus far, you know. Also, because it's limited edition, I'm gonna be keeping all parts of this packaging. Okay, let's open this tiny little drawstring thing first. What are you? What are you? Tell me. Again, it says Dior Rimowa on the little pouch, and then we have the strap. Okay, yes, thank you so much. This is the least interesting thing about this. Shed for me. Okay, wonderful, glorious. I can tell already. Yes, okay, lovely grey smooth leather. You know, wonderful, it's a strap. You know, what more can I say? Okay. Oh God, it's like past the parcel. It's also got the Rimowa symbol on the back there. Wonderful, thank you so much. Oh, and then the thing, wonderful, thank you. Yes, excellent. Amenity kit, aluminium for you Americans. Okay, it's not aluminum. Look how it's spelt, thank you. Lovely felt there, excellent. Okay, oh, she's upside down. Oh my gosh, okay, this is just, I can't believe I ever doubted it, you know. I think I actually mentioned this in a video towards the end of last year, saying like luxury that I wasn't going to buy this year, and I featured this because I was like, oh, it's gonna like hit you on the hip bone as you walk, and I made some stupid excuse. But then I, you know, was seeing it, and I was like, actually, is she fully adjustable that I could wear it like on the chest, as a chest moment, as I would a belt bag? And then all of a sudden I saw her in a very different light. Okay, so this is the grey. It's weird because in different lights, and I'll show you pictures, it looks more like gold. So I did think that it was gold to begin with, but they do her in a black, in a pink, and in a blue. Okay, so it says the Dior on the front, Rimowa on the back. These straps say Christian Dior in like the men's font, if that makes sense. The men's bags tend to have that font on them. Got 2 little clasps at the side there to put the strap. We're gonna do it, and then we're gonna pop the trunk. This is such a unique piece to me, and that really kind of pushed me over the edge. The fact that it is very unique, very different, I don't have anything like it. And the fact that it is limited edition, because this is something that I will keep in my collection, is like a collector's piece, and I love. Also, if you know, on this channel, I am a fan of Rimowa in general. Actually, oddly enough, unplanned, towards the end of last year, I ended up redoing my whole Rimowa suitcase collection, so I've got like a fresh fleet. And maybe when we're allowed to travel again, I will do a video all about them and what I think, but I love the company, I stan. and this just made sense, you know? This was £1,800, which I believe is $2,440 on the website. Okay, so firstly to open, she pops. She's got little popsicles. Why can't we call these popsicles? I like that. Okay, and then we open her up, and she has this kind of concertina accordion business that she is serving us. Like, wow, okay, sing us some tunes with your accordion there. Okay, we have things inside. There are things. Okay, so the first thing is this nondescript piece of card. Wonderful, thank you so much. So we have the Dior Remoa booklet, thank you, and we also have the Dior Remoa authenticity card, which I shall be keeping, let me tell you. If you can see inside, we have this zip section for, you know, coins and other things. Then we have 2 sections for your cards, okay? Which I just think, you know, practicality, you know, hello. She's cute, she's weird, she's unique, but she's also practical. So we've got 3 card slots at the front, 3 card slots at the back there. So really, there's really quite a nice, to be very honest with you, you've really got 2 main sections for your things, which is the front and the back. This bit, you could probably put like receipts in, then you've got your cards and coins and whatever. And then she means business. Like, this to me is going to make me feel like some sort of female James Bond, you know? Jane Bond. I'm just gonna feel like, wow, a super sleuth, a spy with my little utility kit strapped across the chest, ready for action. You know me, I love a Tomb Raider vibe. Okay, let's attach the strap. Let's try her on. There we go. There we go. Here she is. Okay, Dior Remoa Flex. It is so weird, and that is precisely why I like it, okay? It's like, is she wearing like a miniature Remoa suitcase across her chest? Bitch, I might be. Look, I'm here to spice things up, which is exactly what our little friend here is doing. And then look at this. Excuse me, I would like payment. Would you now? Okay, here we go. Card, money, made in Germany. If anyone's interested, because I expect it's made in the same place as the suitcases. Work. How interesting and strange, you know? We love a conversation piece on this channel. We really do. And then let's just, how else can we wear her? I quite like that as a weird little shoulder bag, you know, excuse you. Hello. Wow, wow. This winter black turtleneck, this over it, puffer jacket, dead. Nailed it, absolutely nailed it. Guys, let me know what you think about the newest addition to the Cassie bag family. Do we love, are we still not so sure? Let me know. I'm going to link to another video here in case you haven't already seen it. Have an amazing morning, afternoon or evening wherever you are, and I will see you on my next video. Mwah. Bye guys.